How to reset or retrieve Netspend account password. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in netspend.com and then search for it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on that. Click on the option of login. You'll be directed to the login page. Once you're in the login page, over here you'll find the option of forgot your username or password. Click on the option of password. Now, in order to recover your password, you will need to type in your username, likewise your email address that is linked with your account. After you provide these details, click on next. You will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered over here. You have to open that mail and then you will be able to set up new password for your account. So this is how you can easily reset or retrieve Netspend account's password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.